Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Chevy Suburban key fob here. It works for these models 2021 and 2024 and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2450 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is to remove this mechanical key, and to do that, right here you see this button. Now press this button, and when you press it, this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove the mechanical key and you turn the fob like this with the buttons facing down, you see this small hole. Now the whole idea here is just to separate this back piece like this, and to do that, just take this mechanical key and with the tip only here, insert the tip right in this hole, right here, only the tip, and just twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily remove this back piece. Now when you remove it, right after that here, you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take your mechanical key or the small flat screwdriver and insert the tip here and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure this side here that facing you is the positive side. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, just take this back piece now and align it perfectly here, insert it, all corners to fit nicely, everything, and just snap them together. And when you snap them together like this, the two pieces, now take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.